Save that. Is there no water? So I think I'm gonna focus on that. 'Cause I need to figure out what the narrative is and like where we begin, how we get from A to B to B to C and so on. And so I'm trying to get that going. And I think what I want to do, I kind of like this idea of the player washing up on the beach, kind of like Link's Awakening. Originally, I wanted to do something like they begin in a castle, kind of like every Dragon Quest game that I've played. Well, I guess some of them you start technically outside of it. And then there's a whole bunch I haven't played. But anyway, I digress. I think we're gonna try and do something a little bit different for Dragon Quest. We'll see what happens. Okay, why isn't my water going? Where's my water? Is it with my cell size? Is that why? Yeah, that seems like. Let me that back. It should be good now. No? Alright, what am I missing? What are we missing here? Something is... Oh, we're on the fill tool. I'm gonna have you, I'm kind of come in there. So really it's kind of like, more like this. Just kind of... I think we probably just have to push this out for the camera. Boom, 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 boom. Whoops. Just go like that. I'm gonna close it off. Oh, jeez. Oh, whoops. Right on. Just trying to think how to handle cutscenes. I know you can do it with arrays of characters and then moving, like their target positions and everything. So maybe we're just looking at making a cutscene system. But what I was thinking was the players just we're kind of like see them floating, and then they kind of hit here, and then we fade into this, and then we're kind of chilling there, and someone finds us, and they take us back to the castle with their ship. Alright, so they'll kind of be coming in. So maybe I should write that down. So um, float slowly west. So let me try and realize a cutscene system. I think we'll probably do it with resources. Do this. And they'll just handle all of the data. Where did I put my cutscenes folder in weather? Yeah. I gotta change this. That's some like old 80s music. It's one of the first CDs I had. I mean, I didn't buy it, but we had it at the house. I remember like being so disgusted by this fruit, but also attracted to Gwen Stefani. Anyway, so I think we need a new scene, but it's gonna be like. So I think it's gonna be like my battle queue. So I have an event queue, and then in that event queue, I have things where we advance through it, where we add an event. So it's going to be pretty similar to that, but probably a bit stripped down. I'm going to try and keep it simple. Like, all I really want to do right now is put this at the top, like move actors. Transition in and out. That's like the three main things we need to do right now. Maybe like emotes, I think would be helpful. They're pretty communicative. Um, so how do we grab the actor data? So maybe we can place. If we do export vars, we can have all the actors. So it'd be like. So we can just drag all of our actors there. Like, let's test it out. Player. Whoops. And maybe just by default, we always add the player. So we do like actors dot. You're gonna always make sure it has that. So in other words, player will always be index 0. Something like that. Or a new. So I think for starters, we're just gonna test it out on this map. I think maybe we just export those. I don't know. Doing this on the fly. Playing it by ear. Alright, so now we have that. And so for example, let me let's do like cutscene. No, we can skip that, I guess. So we can actually read it. It would be like player washes up on beach. Oh. I think we have to actually do in here. It's going to be that way the player will always be at the front of that, no matter what we do over there. Player washes up on beach. We're going to need a villager actor. Ow. Make it Poppy. Let's do Poppy. So they are scripts. Hmm. Okay, these actors might need to be resources now. Let's try and worry about the player right now. So we have that. Oh, it's down there. Whoops. Let's put this at the bottom so I don't do that again. Move actors, init dialogues, functionality. Actually, this is wrong. Each of these is going to need a script. Unless we do... By the way, this might be... This could very well be like a totally foobar attempt here. We're going to give it a try. Alright, so we got cutscene action. I'm going to give you that. I gotta turn off the music here. We don't need that. How do I easily get references to these guys? I don't think we want that to be a separate resource. That's kind of getting too complicated. Cutscene. So they can load cutscene resource that they need. And I don't know. Maybe we need a dictionary. Just do that. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be a node. Let's try that approach. Get 2D. Let's put it in cutscenes. Pop that in there. So I think what we'll do now is we'll just inherit this script or extend it for each world. So we do that. Where'd it go? In here. Let's see. Let's get rid of this. Not doing that. Trying the nodes. Front. So this is good because we can just drag them in. And the events we just manually override. Oh, my phone's ringing. I'll be right back. Hey, what's up? Starts at 10. And it's in Pensgrove. I don't know, probably like a little bit over after 9:30. Is that good? Yeah, 9:35, 9:40. I'll give us plenty of time. You at the event yet? Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Nice. Cool. Have fun, kid. Love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay. That's. Looks like it's still good. I don't know. Sometimes it like pops up connection error. have init dialog, advanced dialog. Let's do it backwards. What else? Transition. Do transition scene. I'm getting ahead of myself, but I just want to get that in. That's the event type. So we do like events dot end. Or no, we're gonna make you alright, cat? Or this be actor? This is gonna be actor. And testing. So it's gonna be like an event. Actors player. I guess the optional. Actually, no, we need to do. Add move. I think with this, just do like add event. I think type, so we'll put move. This will always be an array. Am I calling these actions or events? I guess we'll stick with events. And let's do move you. You are at. I go here. 3, -16. So let's just move you to 0, -16. Let's sell. And typed up move. This is be data. And so like events dot end data. And then we can do function events do. Equals stop It's the problemo. Event is declared but never used. I'm about to use it, aren't I? Yeah, get out of here with that. Get out of here. So event equals event 0. Should really be types. Do what do we have to do? Emit the signal, then they can send it down to the right layer, I guess. Let's see in here. Yeah, so we can call set position target, which should automatically move it. Didn't I override this here? Oh, I'm doing it in here. Just do this. That. Don't need that. All right. Save. We what am I using? Dir would be. I think we should just automatically get dir. Using that, so oh no, it equals its position. Let's position. I'll convert that down. Maybe we just do this. Do that. Pixel position, right? or pixel position minus that would be do this. Oh, position minus that should be right, but then we just have to clamp it to 1 each. Should work. So I can hear actors. Is it really not? Looks like it's declared to me. It's right here. That's another thing we need. We need to wait. We need that as an event. Add event, add move. Really, wait should be the first. Wait. Under. Under. We're getting there. So just be like timer. Be that's not always going to be the case. Do it down here. There we go. There. And I think we just yield right there. And then advance. So here we do if fence empty. So I think here we'll do add 8. Just be like 5 seconds. And I don't know, maybe it'll work. It'll be cool. Player. Oh, because this is being considered a floor. So we can do if let's do that check. And so all of that was being called. Okay, there are a lot of times I'm calling that. Floors. Okay, we just need to manually in ready. So floor. Oh. Oh no. Shoot. Yeah, let's go back. We do need that, but we have to check this. So we want to find and remove. Erase. Yeah. I think that's clear. All right. So wait 5 seconds and the player should move. And oh, I'm never calling the like starting this thing. Yeah, so we just do that. All right. Got the direction math backwards, but we are well on our way. I think we do. Got like 2 seconds. Yeah, cool. Maybe do we want to do the cell or the movement? Yeah, I think we want to do the movement. Maybe not. Maybe that is how we do it. So we're moving them there. We do like 10. Do, do, We don't need that. It's not the vibe I want. Oh no. Um, oh, that backwards? Yeah. Does that work? What's the difference? No, we'll just go right to it like we were done. Would be so I think once we have, oh, I should be able to drag. No, it's not working. Do I have to save it? Yeah, there we go. We get Poppy up in there. We can convert Poppy later. And the only thing is with this, we need the actor reference. I don't think that's going to be useful. could just remember their index. Like, we'll figure it out. Copy this, but it's going to be actors one. Oops. Jeez, why does it keep doing that? And so we're going to move Poppy up. So we want them to go to 3, -15. And just like, oops, get rid of these for now. Something is Poppy. Let's see. So tell me it's the player. Oh, this is wrong. Needs to be append. That could be append too. So Poppy definitely received it, but I don't see him moving. Set position target. Did I never gave them the code to move. I have to move that from the player. I think it's everything except for that. I have to rethink this. First off, make this. That's movement. Let's call this like movement input. So where else I'm using that? Up there. It's laid out stop. I don't think we're using that. Let's just get rid of that. I think we can return else. Do all this. So if entity collision we return, let me just clean that up. That could be in there. Move attempted, position target, movement. We can put that. Where do I have that code? Was that in here? We have to send out self. It's weird that that's a function and a well within a variable is moving. What? Good. Didn't break that yet. I'm going to do that. If let me call this if at target. We're not moving. It's not really that efficient, but whatever. So if we're moving, that seems all right. Also like begin move. That's sloppy. I don't think we need any of that for the bass actor. I guess that's sent through movement. Should be right there. So I think call this begin move. If is moving. So we need movement. And this. You will override that. We can do. Ow. Player. Little bit sloppy, but begin move should be up here. This moving should be at the top. Be below those. Move to target. Entity collision time. Collision should be here. Just trying to keep it sequential. Let's see if we can still move the player. Probably not. Oh my gosh, it still works. The programming gods have shined down upon me. Okay, that's cool. Now we want to see if our regular actor is going to move. Yeah. Holy crap. Holy crap. I think on that note, we're gonna leave it right there. Let's get rid of that is moving variable. Move attempted declared but not used. Really? Are we using it in here? Yes, we are. So we have to go in this in here. So let's see, like move attempted, moved finished. I think one of these is a throwback. I don't really need it, but we'll keep it for now. So let me just see if that fixes those warnings. Yeah, we're cooking. All right. So we are well on our way to cutscenes. That's what I'll be working on in the near future when I come back. All right. Let's see. Just make sure no comments. All right. Excellent. Good, great, grand, wonderful. No yelling on the bus.